A Yakima homeless shelter is taking action against the Washington Supreme Court, saying a recently changed law is preventing them from hiring new employees. Tonight we hear from the Yakima Union Gospel Mission and the response from the Washington State Attorney General.
We just want to be able to keep doing what we've been doing for 86 years, almost 87 years. To do that, we need to be able to hire people that share our religious outlook.
The Yakima Union Gospel Mission CEO Mike Johnson says they're struggling to fill crucial positions. They used to be able to exclusively hire people who align with their values, meaning Christian, and not a part of the LGBTQ community.
The issue here is the fact that Washington Supreme Court recently really gutted the state's religious employer exemption. That's the part of the law which allows them to hire like-minded individuals.
Ryan Tucker with the Alliance Defending Freedom says this has led to an influx of applicants threatening the mission.
They recently received an application for an open IT position, and the applicant said on the form itself that the Bible was false and that religion was indoctrination. And, clearly a Christian mission shouldn't be forced to hire individuals who don't believe in the Bible. But under Washington's interpretation of its non-discrimination law, it would have to.
It's a similar situation that Seattle Pacific University faced last year when students organized a sit-in in response to a board of trustees banning employees from engaging in same-sex sexual activity. A federal judge dismissed the university's attempt to block a discrimination investigation. The Attorney General's office says they're not currently investigating the Yakima Union Gospel Mission, adding, quote, "I can only assume that this anti-LGBTQ+ law firm is desperate for any way to push its extreme theories in court, and they'll be seeking an early dismissal." Johnson says they just want to keep helping anyone who needs it.
This is a really severe environment for organizations like ours, and we need some help. We're scared to death of what's coming down the pipe for us.
By forcing the mission to hire people that don't share its beliefs, the state of Washington really undermines the great work that the mission is doing. It threatens its very existence and certainly violates the Constitution of the United States.
And the mission does help anyone regardless of their sexuality. We'll be keeping an eye on to see how their complaint plays out in court.